အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါ Today I would like to do a new type of video in which we will read Burmese script together. Let us start with consonants. I don't want to do every single consonant today, so let me take out some consonants. Ga, nya, ma, la, wa, a. Let's read again. Ga, nya, ma, la, wa, a. Now we should learn what they are and what they mean as words. Nya soda night. La soda moon month. Aka soda dance. Ama soda older sister. Gade soda to dance. Mare soda to lift. Ware soda to be full or fat. Ga soda firm or subject marker. Now that we know what they mean and what they are, let's read them as phrases. Gare, akakare, tango akakare, ware, amaga ware. Now let's go back to our chart and take up more consonants. Ka, na, kana, kana kana. Sa, sare, asa, asaga. Ta, tare. This is all for now. I hope this is helpful for you and it is easy to follow. See you next time. Ta-da!